Hello, so in this video I'll show you how to add a signature in Outlook. I'll show it in both Outlook Classic and the new Outlook. So if you start off with the new Outlook, I'll just open up the new Outlook. So I click on Outlook New. And to add a signature to my mails, I want to click on New Mail. And after I click on New Mail, I want to go to the section where it says Message. And here you have the one attach one of your email signatures to this message. And you want to click on that one. And here you want to click on signatures, and here you want to click on new signature and the signature's name. So in my case it will be Daniel's Tutorials, and in this box you want the signature to be. So you can buy a signature template, or you can also just find a template for free. So I'll just go and find one on Google. So I just found this site, createmicrosoft.com, templates email signatures, where they have a lot of different email signatures. So I just wanna just take this one, and then you can click download, and then open the Word file, and then you can just copy this and go back in Outlook and paste it in, and then you can make it bigger or like how you want to fit in the email. So I just want it to be, I want to fill the whole screen. So I just take it to here, and then I want to click on save, and then I can close this down, and the Word I can close down, and then I can go into my Outlook again and just say I will send a mail to this and subject blah blah blah, and you write something down, and then you click on enter, and the last thing you want to do is add your signature. You go to this box again, and now you have one that is called Daniel's Tutorials, and you click on that one, and your signature will be added to the email, and then you can adjust it however you like it. But for me it's fine this here, and there you go. That's how to do it in the new Outlook. The next thing I want to show you is how to do it in the old Outlook. So I'll open up Outlook Classic, and it's the same for here. I want to click on New Mail, and here it will be at the section Message again, and you click on Signature and Signatures, and here you want to click on New Signature, and I just call it Daniel's Tutorials once again, and OK. And now you should put it in this box what you want it to be. So for me it will be the same. So just paste it in the box once again, and there you go. And you can change the different things, the name, the position, the email, the phone number, and the address, and also the website's name. But I just want to click on OK to show you. And then you just, after you fill all of this out, you once again can finish your mail by clicking signature, and then choose between different signatures. But for my case, it will be Daniel's Tutorials. And there you see the signature has been added to the email. So that's how you do it in both Outlook New and Outlook Classic.